Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce social media management time with Buffer, complete guide step by step clearly. First, sign up for a Buffer account if you haven't already. Choose a plan that suits your needs, keeping in mind the number of social accounts you manage. Once logged in, connect your social media accounts to Buffer. Navigate to the Accounts section and select the social platforms you wish to link. After connecting, familiarize yourself with the Buffer dashboard. The dashboard will provide an overview of your scheduled posts and performance metrics. Next, utilize the Content Calendar feature to plan your posts in advance. Drag and drop posts into the calendar to adjust their publication dates easily. Now, let's explore the queue feature. In the queue, you can set a posting schedule that works best for your audience. Define optimal times for engagement based on analytics. Next, create and curate content using Buffer's built-in tools. Either compose original posts or import links and images from other sources. Use the Buffer browser extension to easily add articles or images to your queue. Bulk scheduling is another powerful feature Buffer offers. Upload a CSV file with multiple posts to save time on individual entries. Make use of Buffer's suggested posting times to maximize reach. As you start scheduling, monitor the performance of your posts. Check the analytics section to see which content resonates most with your audience. Use these insights to refine your future content strategy. Engage with your audience directly from the Buffer dashboard. Respond to comments and messages without switching between platforms. Lastly, collaborate with your team by inviting members to your Buffer account. Assign roles to streamline workflow and ensure accountability. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the time spent on social media management using Buffer. Start implementing these strategies today for more efficient social media handling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.